How to download and save new stickers in your WhatsApp. In this video, I will show you how you can download and save new stickers in your WhatsApp chat so that you can use them whenever you needed them. So for that, just open your WhatsApp and open any individual chat or any group chat. Whenever you open any chat, here at the chat box you can see there is a sticker option. Just click on this sticker option. When you click on this, you can see here there are many stickers, but you can download and save new stickers too. So for that, just open this sticker icon at the bottom, at the right side. When you open this sticker icon, there is a plus icon at the very right side. You can see, just click on this plus icon. When you click on plus icon, you can see all the sticker on WhatsApp are here. Now it's up to you which pack of sticker or which group of sticker you want to download. You can see there's open, close, sorry, thank you. There are many stickers like that. So the sticker that you want to download, there is a download option at every pack of sticker. Just click on download and your stickers will be downloaded. Now I will download this sticker. Just I click on download. Now when you download your sticker, then you can see at the top there are two options. First one is all stickers and second one is my stickers. Just click on my stickers. Your downloaded sticker will be added here. You can see. Now whenever you want to use them, just click on here, just click here, and you can use them like this. So this is the way you can download and save new sticker in your WhatsApp.